Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software with a wide range of functions and formulas that can be used to perform various calculations, automate tasks, and analyze data. Here are some commonly used formulas in Excel. Number 1. Sum calculates the sum of a range of cells. For example, equals sum, range A1 to A10, adds up the values in cells A1 to A10. Result of it is 420. Number 2. Average calculates the average of a range of cells. For example, equals average, range B1 to B10, gives the average of the values in cells B1 to B10. Result of it is 16.1. Number 3. Count counts the number of cells that contain numbers in a range. For example, equals count, range C1 to C10, counts the number of cells in the range C1 to C10 that contain numbers. Result of it is 10. Number 4. Max returns the maximum value in a range of cells. For example, equals max, range D1 to 10, gives the highest value in the range D1 to D10. Result of it is 100. Number 5. Min returns the minimum value in a range of cells. For example, equals min, range E1 to E10, gives the lowest value in the range E1 to E10. Result of it is 2. Number 6. If performs a logical test and returns different values based on the result. For example, equals if, cell A1, 10, greater than 10, less than or equal to 10, checks if the value in cell A1 is greater than 10 and returns the corresponding message. Result of this is greater than 10. Number 7. VLOOKUP searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a corresponding value from another column. For example, equals VLOOKUP, lookup value G1 that is blue, table array range A1 to B10, column index number 2, look range false, searches for the value in cell G1 that is blue, in the range A1 to B10 and returns the value from the second column that is 5 as a result. Number 8. Concatenate joins multiple text strings into one. For example, equals concatenate, double quote, hello, double quote, space, double quote, world, double quote, combines the text strings into hello world. Number 9. Date creates a date value using year, month, and day components. For example, equals date, 2023, 6/28, represents June 28, 2023. Number 10. Now returns the current date and time. For example, equals now displays the current date and time. To learn such more powerful tool for searching and retrieving data from tables based on specific criteria, please follow my LinkedIn page. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos. See you in next video.